This podcast is going to focus on getting yourself logged in to Infinite Campus and navigating the main screen once you are in there. So to find a login for Infinite Campus, you can go to our district homepage, go to the Staff tab, scroll all the way down to Infinite Campus, and click there. Or many of the schools have already incorporated an Infinite Campus quick link onto their main home pages, so you can find it there as well. So you can click those and it'll bring you to the green Infinite Campus login page. This is where you know you're in the right spot. Your username is going to be the same username you have throughout the district, and the password is going to be the one that is given to you, but you'll be able to change that to whatever your preferred password is. Alright, let's get logged in here. It takes you to the main startup page. Alright, on mine the message center is the first thing to pop up, and we'll discuss that a little bit later on. But some of the main features of it, going from right top to left, is the logout button up here. That's going to be very important because Infinite Campus, it will kick you out if you've been inactive, but the default setting for that is quite a long time. I believe it's 40 minutes to an hour. So if it's just up and sitting on your desk, it's available to whoever's there at your desk or at your computer. So be sure that you're logging off each time you're done with it. All right. To the left of the log off feature is what looks like one face of a Rubik's Cube. That's going to be very important. That's the apps button, or switching between applications, and we're going to use that quite a bit. So anytime you see that, and I think Google uses that same type of interface, it's telling you there's a lot more options hidden there. So there's the little Rubik's Cube button up top here. Okay, and then you're going to have to the left of that the year and the school code. So we've got for the 2014-2015 school year, and I'm employed at the junior high, so I've got my little abbreviation there. If you were at the middle school, it would just say mid, senior high or whatever. So that's just telling you what school you're part of. And then you're going to see your name up top here. All right, if you don't see your name there, there's an obvious problem. We got to get that fixed. So make sure you contact one of your trainers, building representatives, or somebody at the administration building to make sure they can sync your Infinite Campus login up with you. Okay, and the last thing we're going to look at is this little 3-dash line thing. This is actually going to hide or expand the task pane here on the left, so that you can see there's lots of different features that Infinite Campus can do for you. But if you don't want to see them right now, you can hide them and then focus on your main screen. Alright, so getting logged in is very simple. You can either hit up the district web page, staff links, Infinite Campus, your home page with an Infinite Campus link from your school building. Get yourself logged in using your normal district login and the password that was given to you, or the one that you changed it to, and mess around with some of the common features on this home screen once you get started. There'll be more podcasts to come, so stay tuned.